Okay, 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 I said okay, 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 okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Venance, aka Miss.Cameroon. I am back with a new video. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and join the crew, the Miss.Cameroon crew. Why am I speaking like thinking I'm speaking French right now? Oh my god. Okay, so today we are coming here with this big bouncy curly wig, like, yes. So if you want to see exactly where I got this wig and how I put it on my head and all, then definitely keep on watching. Ding! Hi y'all, I am back here with a wig review. My makeup looked really nice today. Tried for you guys because, you know, I haven't been trying with my makeup, but today it's looking poppin', it's looking fresh. So we're doing a new wig, and this wig is super cute. The wig is called Bailey. I don't think I've ever tried this wig before, and it is from ZURY SIS. I actually was looking for a wig like this, and I'm glad, because you know what I really like about ZURY SIS wigs? Like, the wigs are so full. Look at this wig. It's so like, it's super duper full. So the color of the wig, H27-4/30. To focus, there you go. Like, the color is super like, oh, you guys, look at this wig. Oh my god, look at the curls. I love ZURY SIS curly wigs, by the way. A lace or anything, it only has this right here. There's no lace on the wig. There's only the lacy part right here that I'm about to cut. There's like a little bit of lace in the front, like barely any, but I still like it. It has combs, 3 combs in the front, so one here, and one here, and then it has one in the back, so here, and then here. Basically just cutting off this lace like this. Woo! Guys, my eyes are like watering right now. Gonna be on this side, so let me go ahead and put this wig on before I pluck it. I just want to see how it looks on me. Okay, ZURY SIS, this is cute. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, so this wig looks so freaking cute on me right now. I love it. Suck my cockness, fake my potation. I don't even know the words, but so what we're gonna do, because this wig look like a wig right now and we want it to look natural as possible, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and pluck this right here, add some concealer, and then we're gonna fix my baby hair here, and then boom.
À travers la voix de que Black, on t'entend, cher guitare. Et les vagues de ton amour perdu nous ensorcellent, nous emportent, nous enchantent. Raconte. En bas de son bâtiment, moi je l'attendais gentiment. Oui, de son bâtiment, je l'attendais gentiment. Elle mettait son
my eye. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war, and I don't know if I'ma see you again. Can I get a kiss? And can you make it last forever? I said I'm about to go to war, and I don't know if I'ma see you again.
Okay guys, so this is the hair. I'm basically done. You know, I did my baby hair. See, it makes it look more natural. That's why I think it's very important to do it. You know, if you don't do it, if you get your wigs and you don't do this, you should start. I love this type of curls. It reminds me of the one that they had, which was called I think it was called Cardi B. That wig was like bigger and longer. First, let me talk about the shipping. I'm very shipped so fast. She sent me the hair straight up from, I think it's a she. Yeah, it is a she. I get sent the hair straight from ZURY, but you can buy the hair from like other companies. Like a lot of other companies carry your wigs and stuff, so I'm gonna put the links down below where you can buy it. First reason why I love this hair is basically because I love it's so full. Like, the curl is so full. I like the curl pattern. It's just perfect. It's not too coily. It's kind of like messy at the same time. I think that's what makes it look full. I love that the side part. You guys know that I love side parts. I don't really like middle parts. I think side parts look so much better on me. That's another reason why I love it. The side part is just perfect. Third is that I love the color of the wig. The color is so nice. I always get this type of colors. I think it looks really good on me and on my skin tone. I just love this wig. I don't have anything bad to say. The wig does not shed. Usually curly wigs don't shed as much, so this wig does not shed at all. I love it. I did not brush out the curls. See, this is how the curl of the hair comes, like exactly like this. I did not make the hair bigger or anything. Oh, and I also love the bang in the front. You know, I love how it's kind of like banged. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think this is my favorite curly wig so far. Thank you, ZURY Sis. And yeah, and also I have a Depop. So if you want to go buy some of my wigs, down below it's gonna be the links, and I'm gonna link everything else that you need to know down below. So go ahead and just give me some love and I give you some love back. So thank you so much for watching this video. I am super excited to come here and, you know, review wigs for you. Make sure to follow me on all my social media, Miss.Cameroon. Make sure to like, share, comment, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.
Oh ma chérie d'amour, peut-être ta mamie n'est plus heureuse.